Good morning, our dear subscribers. Today is 8th of February 2018, and we start a new analysis in the foreign exchange market with constatation of the fact of stabilization in the stock market around the world. And as a result, investors starting to focus their attention on fundamental background of currency trading. And here, for sure, the American currency have a lot of advantages against other majors. As a result, during the last pair of sessions, the American currency was in strong demand. Anyway, taking everything into account, we still suggest that the current strength of the United States currency is just a temporary one, and we still consider it as just a correction before sooner or later the dollar will resume its major downturn. So here, as you can see in our strategy in our portfolio, we closed by stop loss some of our short dollar positions. And in some of the pairs we decided to take a pause, especially that's concerning British English, concerning British pound crosses, taking into account that today is the day of the Bank of England monetary policy decision, and it will be very important how the governor of the bank, Mark Carney, will sound regarding the current state of the English economy, UK economy, regarding Brexit process of negotiations, regarding current tendencies with inflation, domestic inflation. It will be very, very important how he will describe the overall situation. Because if the bank will be hawkish, more hawkish than expected, pointing to a possible first hike of in 2018, for sure the British pound will receive a portion of strength during today's session. But let's wait a little bit. After afternoon we will have the first results. Regarding other pairs, as you can see, we were stopped out from our long, average long New Zealand dollar position because, as you can see, the Airbnb meeting was slightly dovish than the market was expected. As a result, the New Zealand dollar plummeted below 0.72, taking our stop loss with it. Unfortunately, here we decided to stand aside, but overall we still suggest that the dollar is in a short-term correction and sooner or later will resume its major decline. The dollar Canada still we are short at 25.45. We pay your attention on Friday's employment report in Canada, so pay a close attention to this kind of domestic economic data. Regarding other pairs, the euro sterling still flexible. We are ready to sell and to buy. That's depending on the result of today's meeting, MPC, Bank of England MPC meeting. Euro Swiss is still the same. We are flexible, ready to sell at 1680 or to buy around the longer term uptrend at 114.30. What kind of currency we'd like to pay close attention today? Probably it's still the yen crosses like euro yen and dollar yen. Here, let's see the market. Let's see the graph. The dollar yen still below its short-term downtrend, which lies today around 109.90, where we intend to sell the pair once again. So we are ready to sell the dollar yen at 109.90, still expecting it to continue its major bear trend. We put a stop above 110.50, where is the high of February. The high was registered at 110.48. What else? The euro-yen still in the kind of range trading, but overall bias still bullish. Here yesterday the pair tested the waters below 134, but our entry point is slightly below at 133.10, where we intend to buy the currency once again. Anyway, here the situation will be impacted by the development in the stock market exchange. If the risk aversion will rise again, if the risk aversion rises again because of another turbulence in the stock market, for sure the euro-yen will get under additional downside pressure, and we can test some downside barriers starting from here. But of course a lot will depend on the overall situation in the risky markets. At the moment that's all. We wish you a profitable day ahead. We hope that you will stand with us, and we'll see you tomorrow in the morning. See you later. Bye bye for now.